This came from a customer. So I'm just gonna open it up right now, very carefully, because I have no idea what is in here. I'm gonna be, oh, what is this? I got a letter. Amazing. Okay, I was not expecting this. This came from one of our super fans. And so I think I'm going to open the card first, because that's what you do, right? When you get a gift, you open the card first. Well, let's see what we got. Huh, a thank you card. What? Why are they thanking me? I should be thanking them. They're the customer. Evan, thank you for all you do for your customers and superfans. You are so appreciated in every way. I hope you enjoy this. Superfan, Nancy Berniker from Hamilton, Ohio. Dude, what? What is this? Oh my God. I have never had a customer do this before in my entire life. This is insane. My heart, and I haven't even seen what's in here. And I'm already speechless. Oh my God. Okay, let's dig into it. Okay, let's see. Here's the reveal. You ready? No way. No. No. Oh my God, this is so incredible. What? This is our motto. Together in, together out. You've got to be kidding me. No. Look, there's even a note on the back. Oh my God, Nancy, this is incredible. Thank you so much. Okay, this is our motto from the fire department. Together in, together out. This was what we said in our academy. That was our thing. Every time we got an assignment, every time we did push-ups, every time we did something together, every time we exited an area, we had to say this together. They even got the fire department right, San Bernardino County Fire Department, my last name. Oh, I'm speechless. I feel, this is so cool. I can't believe this right now. Nancy, thank you so much. This means so much to me. You have no idea. And I'm gonna hang this up. It's gonna look amazing. And I just wanna say thank you. This is the first time a customer's ever done this. First time, like, almost anyone's ever done this. And for me, especially. And so, I feel it. I feel it, and wow, I am just deeply touched, and I am deeply honored. So cool. Wow, what a beautiful thing. It's so well done, too. Like, it is so well done. Oh, you're awesome, Nancy. Thank you so much. Oh, my God. This is so cool.